What's going on, guys? We have a commission project today, a really cool one. I've been working hard on this one. This is from a startup company that wants to make a modern airframe long easy as a UAV, and they want it to break records. It was a really smart idea, incredibly smart idea. I wish I had the idea myself. So it's a modern long easy because that airframe was incredible, and it broke so many records in terms of, I think it was definitely range, and I think climb rate and things like that. So long easy airframe, slightly modified. The canards are modified, swept back a little bit, a little sportier, and obviously it's got the stealth shaped fuselage. Top intake, right now it's a 50 millimeter just because that's my test bed size, but I think everything came out really nice. It's super sleek. I have four elevons, and my canards are active. They are slightly underthrown right now. CG, okay, so here's the main thing with this one. I should have known, but the long easy was the shape that it was for a reason. The center of the center of gravity, I know where that is on the long easy, and the problem is that my fuselage was a little too long. There's a little too much mass in the front, so I had a lot of trouble getting the weight correct, and so I had to add a lot of weight to the back of the plane. The way I do that is quarters. I use quarters wrapped in soft Velcro, and I stick it to the back. So it's a way for me to remove it quickly if I need to. So I'm gonna just throw this up. I already have a second one designed and ready to go with a shorter front fuselage, wings shifted forward, bigger exhaust. I also have a stealth exhaust divider in the back, which is killing thrust. So I don't know what's gonna happen here, guys, but I'm just gonna throw this thing out and hope I get something. I just want to get it flying, and there's no wind, so let's see. No way. No way. No way. No way. Well, it does fly perfect. I think my CG is slightly back. Wow. Just needs a little bit of left trim. Guys, this is on a 50 millimeter. Wow. This is a 50 millimeter, 1300. I am currently hands off. I'm adjusting the camera. What a platform. What a platform. Now, I think that this airframe is record setting. I really do. Look at this thing, so smooth. Wow. Oh, I outdid myself on this one. I can tell I'm cruising around at 30% throttle. This thing is gonna set records. I want to get a brand new set of. It just wants to glide. It just wants to just go, and it just cuts through the air. You know, I can feel it. I fly so many airplanes, guys. I fly so much stuff that you can feel it when something is efficient. And man, oh man, is this efficient. Look at it. Look at that. Up to 50%. And it climbs out. So what I was saying is I'm gonna go buy some more 1300Zs, and I want to test the duration, and I want to see if I can set a personal record with a 1300. I think I can. Beautiful thing. What a smooth, beautiful flyer. I wish I had this idea. I can't talk about who it is and what company, but they nailed this thing, man. They nailed it. They nailed the idea. Beautiful. Wow. I'm gonna walk out here a little bit because start thinking about landing it. Although I'm not using I'm using like 60% throttle probably on average. And I have to bring it in soon though, because my batteries are very questionable. So what I nailed was the control surface to airplane, to airframe size. I nailed the canard control surface size perfectly, and the function. Look at it glide in. All right, that was my test. I just don't want to overshoot where I am right now because there's a lacrosse goal. Oh, it's nose heavy. Okay. It was nose heavy, guys. A little bit. I lost some of my change. Where'd they go? Okay, here's one of them. That's $1. That's $1.25 right there. Oh, there's another one. And this one is $1 or $1.25 also. Anyway, this is amazing. Wow. Really good stuff, guys. Really, really cool. Really good stuff. As I said, oh, it's soaking wet. I am extremely jealous about this one. You guys would have really wanted this one because it's like a sporty, it's not like a glider like the U2 it flies like a glider. This one, this is the best Long Easy. I released the Starship and the regular Long Easy. This is a way better airframe than the Long Easy. I can already feel it. This one is dead on. Wow. So anyway, their whole goal is to have is to do something different and to have what I'm guessing is extreme long duration UAV flights. And that's pretty cool stuff. Let me get one more flight on. This is actually, it's really early morning. It's like around 7 o'clock. And I have to get my son on the bus soon. So I'm going to do one more real quick. Alrighty. Alright, let's get this thing buttoned up. Problem is it's hard for me to get the battery in the right spot. Stop moving. What's going on here? I want an arm. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Is everything good? Is the battery secured? Because if the battery comes loose, that's gonna be problemo. All right. That is not good. I lost some of my change. I guess what I can try to do is keep one of them. The problem is wet grass on Velcro is not good. Now I'm gonna have wet grass. Okay, there we go. Let me see if this will stay on here. This is questionable, guys. This is very questionable right now. Whether or not that's going to even stay on there. because it's wet and it's dirty. It's sopping wet. The whole bottom of the plane is sopping wet. So I'm actually a little concerned about weight balance because it's just soaking wet. All right, so I moved now the CG is probably 3 fingers forward of the bumps. This is from my own information, guys. It's probably 3 fingers forward of where I had it. All right, ready? Let's just throw it up again. All right. Oh, man. Bad throw. Damn. Bad throw. I probably broke it. What I did was I did the football like that. I don't know if I broke it, actually. I don't know if I broke it. No, I didn't break it. Wow. I knew it was going to be wonky because it's soaking wet. My hands are soaking wet. Should I go for it again? Might as well, right? Might as well chuck it. Throw it a little better this time, Kyle. Don't be a woman. All right, ready? There we go. Yeah. Wow. So the CG is good. I can't believe it took a tumble like that and it flew perfect. Wow, the CG is not bad. Wow. So nice. It's lighter now too. This is fantastic. I cannot believe it survived. In a little bit closer for you guys. Just great character all around. Extremely impressed. There's nothing else to do. Laser straight, unbelievable stability with the winglets. I mean, the wingtips, the vertical, it is. I played with the design a little bit. It's more of an organic swoop. I wanted to do a little bit of a sweep back, and I played with the geometry a little bit, and this is way more stable than the Starship and the Long Easy. All right, I'm going to bring it in because this battery doesn't sound right. I'm going to come back and fly this later if I can. Oh, no, I broke it. I broke it on landing. Oh, I think it's still a little nose heavy, which is actually really good. I broke the wing. I have another one printing, which is going to be, it's going to be a more optimized version because I'm basically tucking the battery all the way back. Not that it matters for my customer, but the what do you call it? But for me, at least, for getting more data and more test flights, I want to be able to just put the battery in the right spot and fly it. And I think overall, you want that. So thanks for watching this, guys. I had a lot of fun with this one. This one was a lot of fun to make. and design and to put together and stuff went together really easy. I did a spar system where it's a spar from here to here and here to here. Doesn't run through the center to save weight, and it just puts the strength where you need it. And yeah, so I'm rambling and I'm going to sign off now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.